Srimad Bhagavad Gita, chapter 3, from sloka number 1 to 36. We will chant together. Let's chant. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Atha Tritiyodhyayah. Arjuna Uvacha. Jyayasi Chitkarmanaste. Mata Buddhir Janardana. Tatkim Karmani Ghore Mam Niyojayasi Keshava. Vyamisrenev Vakyena Buddhim Mohayasiva Me Tadekam Vada Nishchitya Yena Sreyoham Apnuyam. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha. लोकेऽस्मिन् द्विविधा निष्ठा पुरा प्रोक्ता मया नघ ज्ञानयोगेन सांख्यानां कर्मयोगेन योगिनां न कर्मणामनारम्भात् नैष्कर्म्यं पुरुषोऽश्नुते न च सन्न्यसनादेव सिद्धिं समधिगच्छति न हि कश्चित् क्षणमपि जातु तिष्ठत्य कर्मकृत् कार्यते ह्यवशः कर्म सर्वः प्रकृतिजैर्गुणैः कर्मेन्द्रियाणि संयम्य ययास्ते मनसा स्मरन् इंद्रियार्थान् विमूढ़ात्मा मिथ्याचारः स उच्यते यस्त्विन्द्रियाणि मनसा नियम्यारभतेऽर्जुन कर्मेन्द्रियैः कर्मयोगम् असक्तः स विशिष्यते नियतं कुरु कर्म त्वं कर्म ज्यायो ह्यकर्मणः शरीरयात्रापि च ते न प्रसिद्ध्येद कर्मणः यज्ञार्थात् कर्मणोऽन्यत्र लोकोऽयं कर्म बन्धनः तदर्थं कर्म कौन्तेय मुक्तसंगः समाचर सह यज्ञाः प्रजा सृष्ट्वा पुरोवाच प्रजापतिः अनेन प्रसविष्यध्वम् एषवोऽस्त्विष्टकामधुक् देवान् भावयतानेन ते देवा भावयन्तु वः परस्परं भावयन्तः श्रेयः परमवाप्स्यथ इष्टान् भोगान् हि वो देवाः दास्यन्ते यज्ञभाविताः तैर्दत्तान् प्रदायैभ्यः यो भुङ्क्तेस्तेन एव सः यज्ञशिष्टाशिनः सन्तः मुच्यन्ते सर्वकिल्बिषैः भुञ्जते ते त्वघं पापाः ये पचन्त्यात्मकारणात् अन्नाद् भवन्ति भूतानि पर्जन्यादन्न संभवः यज्ञाद् भवति पर्जन्यः यज्ञः कर्म समुद्भवः कर्म ब्रह्मोद्भवं विद्धि ब्रह्माक्षर समुद्भवं तस्मात् सर्वगतं ब्रह्म नित्यं यज्ञे प्रतिष्ठितम् एवं प्रवर्तितं चक्रं नानुवर्तयति यः अघायुरिन्द्रिया रामः मोघं पार्थ स जीवति यस्त्वात्मरतिरेव स्यात् आत्मतृप्तश्च मानवः आत्मन्येव च सन्तुष्टः तस्य कार्यं न विद्यते नैव तस्य कृते नार्थः नाकृते नेह कश्चन न चास्य सर्वभूतेषु कश्चिदर्थव्यपाश्रयः तस्मादसक्तः सततं कार्यं कर्म समाचर असक्तो ह्याचरन् कर्म परमाप्नोति पूरुषः कर्मणैव हि संसिद्धिम् आस्थिता जनकादयः लोकसंग्रहमेवापि सम्पश्यन् कर्तुमर्हसि यद्ययाचरति यद्यद् आचरति श्रेष्ठः तत्तदेवेतरो जनः once more यद्यद् आचरति श्रेष्ठः तत्तदेवेतरो जनः स यत् प्रमाणं कुरुते लोकस्तदनुवर्तते न मे पार्थास्ति कर्तव्यं त्रिषु लोकेषु किंचन नानवाप्तमवाप्तव्यं वर्त एव च कर्मणि यदि ह्यहं न वर्तेयं जातु कर्मण्यतन्द्रितः मम वर्त्मानुवर्तन्ते मनुष्याः पार्थ सर्वशः उत्सीदेयुरिमे लोकाः न कुर्यां कर्म चेदहं संकरस्य च कर्ता स्याम् उपहन्यामिमाः प्रजाः सक्ताः कर्मण्य विद्वांसः यथा कुर्वन्ति भारत कुर्याद् विद्वांस्तथा सक्तः चिकीर्षुर्लोकसंग्रहम् न बुद्धिभेदं जनयेत् अज्ञानां कर्मसंगिनां जोषयेत् सर्वकर्माणि विद्वान् युक्तः समाचरन् प्रकृतिः क्रियमाणानि गुणैः कर्माणि सर्वशः अहंकार विमूढात्मा कर्ताहमिति मन्यते तत्त्ववित्तु महाबाहो गुणकर्म विभागयोः गुणा गुणेषु वर्तन्ते इति मत्वा न सज्जते प्रकृतेर्गुणसम्मूढाः सज्जन्ते गुणकर्मसु तान् कृत्स्नविदो मन्दान् कृत्स्नविन्न विचालयेत् मयि सर्वाणि कर्माणि सन्न्यस्याध्यात्मचेतसा निराशीर्निर्ममो भूत्वा युध्यस्व विगतज्वरः ये मे मतमिदं नित्यम् अनुतिष्ठन्ति मानवाः श्रद्धावन्तो न सूयन्तः मुच्यन्ते तेऽपि कर्मभिः ये त्वेतद् अभ्यसूयन्तः or you can chant it together ये त्वेतदभ्यसूयन्तः नानुतिष्ठन्ति मे मतम् सर्वज्ञानविमूढांस्तान् विद्धि नष्टान चेतसः सदृशं चेष्टते स्वस्याः प्रकृतेर्ज्ञानवानपि प्रकृतिं यान्ति भूतानि निग्रहः किं करिष्यति इन्द्रियस्येन्द्रियस्यार्थे रागद्वेषौ व्यवस्थितौ तयोर्नवशमागच्छेत् तौ ह्यस्य परिपन्थिनौ श्रेयान् स्वधर्मो विगुणः परधर्मात् स्वनुष्ठितात् स्वधर्मे निधनं श्रेयः परधर्मो भयावहः अर्जुन उवाच अथ केन प्रयुक्तोऽयं पापं चरति पूरुषः अनिच्छन्नपि वार्ष्णेय बलादेव नियोजितः बलादिव नियोजितः. Clear? Anyone has any doubt regarding this? You can ask. If you please on your video like Pratima Amma, another Usha Amma, Maitreyi Amma, it will be better. Maitreyi, you will find a video sign. Please put your finger over there. তুমি দেখো স্ক্রিনের বাঁদিকে একটা ভিডিও সাইন আসবে, সেখানে একটু হাত লাগাও মৈত্রেয়ী, তুমি যদি ক্লাসে থাকো আর কি। উষা আম্মা যদি সম্ভব হয় একটু খুলুন। উষা ঘোষ নয়, উষা ঘোষ নয়, আর একজন উষা আম্মা আছে। ওকে, কারোর কোনো সমস্যা হলো 1 থেকে 36 পর্যন্ত? হ্যাঁ উষা আম্মা হয়েছিল হয়েছিল, হ্যাঁ ব্যাস ব্যাস ব্যাস। মৈত্রেয়ী
स्वामीजी 34 एक बार बोलिए।
34 ओके। इन्द्रियस्येन्द्रियस्यार्थे रागद्वेषौ व्यवस्थितौ तयोर्नवशमागच्छेत् तौ ह्यस्य परिपन्थिनौ. Clear? Anyone has any doubt? Maitreyi, can you listen to me? তুমি কি ফোন অন করে দিয়ে কোথাও চলে গেলে শুনতে পাবে না? এই তো অনলাইন ক্লাসের মজা। ক্লাস অন করে দিয়ে যে যার কাজ করতে পারে। যাই হোক, from 37. That is why in this class I always want that my all students should open their videos. Otherwise, you know, they cook, they wash their utensils, and the class is going on. Video is off. So someone sleeps, take a nap. I don't want to mention the name. Okay. Okay. So from 37 we were starting again. Okay, we will learn. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha. Very, very important sloka it is. Okay. Sangeeta ji, please open your video, please. Kama esha krodha eshaha. Please put visarga after the second eshaha. Kama esha krodha eshaha. As esha is ending with a, esha, small a, and krodh is a conjunct consonant. So ka will be repeated once more. Nikita, happy? Yes. Kama esha krodha esha rajo guna samudbhavaha rajo guna samudbhavaha mahashano mahapapma mahashano mahapapma vidyena vairinam vidyena vairinam. Clear? So chant together. Kama esha krodha esha rajo guna samudbhavaha mahashano mahapapma vidyena vairinam. Clear? Okay. Then the next one, 38, is also very, very important. Okay? Please mark it as important. Then whenever you will get chance, your Guru's grace will be there. You can know the meaning and the impact of the verse. Dhumen avriyate vannihi. Please split it. Vanni, then put visarga. 2 dot. Vannihi. Yathadarsho malenacha. Yathol benavrito garvaha. Please put garva after garva, there put visarga and split it. Tatha tenedamavritam. Tena idam avritam, actually. Tenedamavritam. Chant. Dhumenavriyate vannihi. Dhumenavriyate vannihi. Yathadarsho malenacha. Yathadarsho malenacha. Sangita Amma, we are chanting 3rd chapter, 38 sloka. 3rd chapter, Bhagavad Gita, 38 sloka. Okay. Yathol benavrito garbhaha. Yathol benavrito garbhaha. Tatha tenedamavritam. Tatha tenedamavritam. Together. Dhumenavriyate vannihi. Yathadarsho malenacha. Yathol benavrito garbhaha. Tatha tenedamavritam. Clear? 39. Avritam jnanametena. Avritam jnanametena. Jnanino nityavairina. Jnanino nityavairina. Kamarupena kaunteya. Kamarupena kaunteya. Dushpurena nalena cha. Dushpurena nalena cha. Clear? Together. Avritam jnanametena. Jnanino nityavairina. Kamarupena kaunteya. Tushpurena nalena cha. Clear? Anyone has any doubt? Thank you. 40. Indriyani mano buddhihi. Indriyani mano buddhihi. Please write buddhi and visarga, then split it. Then asya. In your book it is there buddhi rasya. So you please split it buddhihi, then asya, asya. Asyadhisthana muchyate. Asyadhisthana muchyate. Etair vimohayatyeshaha. Please put visarga after shaha. Etair vimohayatyeshaha. Jnanamavritya dehinam. Jnanamavritya dehinam. Clear? So together, Indriyani mano buddhihi asyadhisthana muchyate. Etair vimohayatyeshaha. Jnanamavritya dehinam. Once more. Indriyani mano buddhihi asyadhisthana muchyate. Etair vimohayatyeshaha. Jnanamavritya dehinam. I think everyone is clear. Okay. Now 41. Tasmat tvamindriyanyadau. Shan, it will be little bit difficult for you. Tasmatva. Tasmatva. Okay? Please chant with me. Tasmatva. Then you chant tasmatvam. Tasmatvam indriyanyadau. Please write it on your book in your style. Tasmatvam indriyanyadau. Clear? Niyamya bharatarshabha. Niyamya bharatarshabha. Papmanam prajahi hyenam. Papmanam prajahi hyenam. Nikita, here also it will be the same rule. Okay, because prajahi is short vowel, then hye is conjunct consonant, half ha and ya. So ha will be doubled. Okay. Papmanam prajahi. Prajahi hyena. Clear? সবার পরিষ্কার হচ্ছে তো? Is it clear to everyone else? Thank you. Jnana vijnana nashanam. Jnana vijnana nashanam. Tasmat tvamindriyanyadau. Niyamya bharatarshabha. Papmanam prajahi hyenam. Papmanam prajahi hyenam. Jnana vijnana nashanam. Jnana vijnana nashanam. Together we will chant once more. Okay. तस्मात् त्वमिन्द्रियाण्यादौ नियम्य भरतर्षभ पाप्मानं प्रजहिह्येनं ज्ञानविज्ञाननाशनम्. Clear? Thank you. Then Indriyani paranyahuhu. After who, please split it, and before that, after who, please put visarga. Then visarga's pronunciation will be like ha, who. Okay? Indriyani paranyahuhu. Then what will be? Indriyebhyah param manaha. In your book, it is written paranyahurindriya. Hurindriya. So we are splitting it. So it will be who visarga, who. Then ra will be dropped. Then indriyebhyah param manaha. Clear? Manasastu para buddhihi. Please split it. Buddhi, then visarga. Buddhihi. Yo buddhef paratastu saha. Yo buddhef paratastu saha. Clear? Shan, are you getting it? Any doubt? Thank you. Oh, my pleasure. Indriyani paranyahuhu. Indriyebhyah param manaha. Manasastu para buddhihi. Yo buddhef paratastu saha. Yo buddhef paratastu saha. We will chant together once more. Indriyani paranyahuhu. Indriyebhyah param manaha. Manasastu para buddhihi. Yo buddhef paratastu saha. Clear? Please utilize these classes. You find in YouTube, you will get millions of videos in Gita chanting. Find one video which is teaching. This is all Guru's grace. I have learnt in this way in a physical class. And the same I am trying to teach you. Though, very less people view, because when I open up, and after all the classes, you should know one thing. I listen to all my classes repeatedly in a day, that where I made mistakes. In Vedanta, and because Shan works with it, you can ask her. How many times I listen to my own lecture and I tell, oh, I made this mistake. You please do like this, do like that. I need that the same attention from you. Then only all our efforts will be fruitful. Please utilize this opportunity. This is Guru's grace. I can claim you, nobody will teach you like this. Because my gurus where I learned, they are very rare. So, like, Partha Vatsa Sudhir Bhokta, I was really very eager to learn and they poured all their blessings to me. And I learned it, what I am teaching today. Please utilize it. 43. Evam buddhyef param buddhva. Evam buddhyef param buddhva. Sanstabhyatmanam atmana. संस्तभ्यात्मानमात्मना जहि शत्रुं महाबाहो जहि शत्रुं महाबाहो कामरूपं दुरासदम् कामरूपं दुरासदम् together एवं बुद्ध्येः परं बुद्ध्वा संस्तभ्यात्मानमात्मना जहि शत्रुं महाबाहो कामरूपं दुरासदम् once more एवं बुद्ध्येः परं बुद्ध्वा संस्तभ्यात्मानमात्मना जहि शत्रुं महाबाहो कामरूपं दुरासदम् ओम तत्सदिति. You please split it, okay? Because in the last we make mistake. You please split what I am chanting because this is the traditional chanting ending. Om Tatsad iti Srimad Bhagavad Gita su split Upanishatsu split Brahma Vidyayam split Yoga Shastre split Shri Krishna Arjuna Samvade split Karma Yogo Namaha. Please put Visarga. Karma Yogo Namaha. Tritiyodhyayah. Clear? May I chant together the last one? Om Tatsaditi Srimad Bhagavad Gita su Upanishatsu Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre Shri Krishna Arjuna Samvade Karma Yogo Namaha Tritiyodhyayah. Clear? So may I chant from 37 to the end together? Okay. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Kama Esha Krodha Esha Rajo Guna Samudbhavaha Mahashano Mahapapma Vidyenamiha Vairinam Dhumena-vriyate vannihi Yathadarsho malena cha Yatholbena-vrito garbhaha Tathate nedamavritam Avritam jnanametena Jnanino nitya vairina Kamarupena kaunteya Dushpurena nalena cha Indriyani mano buddhihi Asyadhisthana muchyate Etair vimohayatyeshaha Jnanavritya dehinam Tasmat tvamindriyanyadau Niyamya bharatarshabha Papmanam prajahihyenam Jnana vijnana nashanam Indriyani paranyahuhu Indriyebhyah param manaha मनसस्तु परा बुद्धिः यो बुद्धेः परतस्तु सः एवं बुद्ध्येः परं बुद्ध्वा संस्तभ्यात्मानमात्मना जहि शत्रुं महाबाहो कामरूपं दुरासदम् ॐ तत्सद् इति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे कर्मयोगो नाम तृतीयोऽध्यायः। Clear? May I hear from you some chanting? Anything you like, anything from Gita, from invocation, from anything. Shreyaji, will you try first? The thing will be Shreyaji, then Bimlamma, then Ushamma, then Sandhyaji and Nikita, then Suchitramma, then Shannon, then Jetli ji, then Shangita Amma, then Pratima Amma, then Usha Amma, then Maitreya Amma. So Shreya Amma, please.
Om.
No, which you are chanting?
Swamiji, last one, closing Om Tat Saditi. No? Okay, I can chant from the beginning. From the beginning.
No, you chant last one. Last one, I don't mind. You chant.
Om. Om Tat Saditi. Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Supni.
Please, you have to forget your Hindi in Sanskrit. No Bhagavad Gita.
Okay.
Bhagavad. Bhagavad nahi. I know.
Bhagavad.
Yes.
Bhagavad Gita. Super new.
No. You please. Bhagavad Gita Su.
Gita Su.
No. Split it. Please split it.
Su Paneer
Upanishadsu. Okay, I will help you once
Upanishadsu
more. Please write it on your book, please. Om Tat Saditi.
Tatsaditi.
Split it, please. Slash. Use slash.
Tatsaditi.
Then you have to give a pause. Srimad Bhagavad Gita Su. Just small Su. Not Su. In your book it is written, I know. That is why I told you. Su. Sa small U. Split it. Means give a space. Then Upanishadsu. Split it. Brahma Vidyayam. Space. Space. Brahma Vidyayam. Space. Yoga Shastre. Space. Shri Krishnarjuna Samvade. Space. Karma Yoga Namaha. Please add Visarga. Nama, then Visarga. Namaha. Split it. Then Tritiyodhyayah. Clear? Now chant. Unmute yourself. No, Bimlamma, you are not. Shreyamma. Yes.
Om Tassaditi. Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Supanishadsu.
No. Srimad Bhagavad Gita Su. One word.
Gita Su. Srimad Bhagavad Gita Su. Upanishadsu. Brahma Vidyayam. Yoga Shastre. Shri Krishnarjun Samvade. Karma Yoga.
No Hindi.
Samvade.
No. Krishna. Sri Krishnarjuna Samvade, not Krishnarjun Samvade. You have to forget Hindi.
Arjuna Samvade
Yes, Krishnarjuna Samvade.
Karma Yo.
No, you please chant.
Arjuna Samvade. Oh, Shri Krishna Arjuna Samvade. Go Namah Trityodhyaya.
Trityodhyaya.
Swamiji.
Yes.
Trityodhyaya.
Trityo, you attended
No, Swamiji.
from first. Trityo, then avagraha is there.
Yeah.
It means adhyaya. But
Yeah. Trityo
instead of avagraha
Adhyaya.
means it will take the previous vowel sound. So Trityo, that O will be prolonged. Trityodhyaya, not Trityo adhyaya.
Trityodhyaya.
Trityodhyaya. Clear?
Trityodhyaya. Okay, Swamiji.
Thank you.
Thank you, Swamiji.
Please
Thank you.
mute yourself. Bimlamma, please bless me and grace me by chanting. Hey, unmute yourself. Amma, please unmute yourself. Yes. Yes.
Can
What
I
is
start
going
from
to chant?
36? 36.
Okay. Chant.
अथ केन प्रयुक्तो यः पाप
Prayuktoyam.
अथ केन प्रयुक्त्योऽयं पापचरितपुरुषः
Mama. Papam. Anuswara
पापं
is.
पापं चरितपुरुषः
Ma. Charati. Charita nahi ma.
चरित
Charati.
पापं चरिति पुरुषो
No. Ma. Charati.
चरति
Yes.
चरति
Yes. Charati, charataha, charanti, charasi, charatha, taratha, charasi, charama, charavaha. This is the form. So charati.
चरति पापं चरति पुरुषो
No. Purushaha. Yes.
पुरुषो
No. Purushaha.
पुरुषः
पुरुषः. No, just imitate me. मुझे नकल कीजिए. पुरुषः. No,
पुरुषः
আমি বাড়াচ্ছি পুরুষের পয় দীর্ঘ পুরুষः. Oh, wonderful. Then
अचिन्त्येन नपि वार्षन् अनिच्छन्नपि अनिच्छन् अपि वार्षणेय बलादीव नियोजितः.
Wonderful. First class. Wonderful.
Thank you.
Usha Ghoshamma. Bimlamma, can you mute? Acha, I can mute yourself. You. Okay. I will mute it. Usha Amma.
श्री भगवान उवाच एष क्रोध एषः रजो गुणसमुद्भवः महाशनो महापाप्मा विद्वेन्यमिह वैरिणम्.
Ma, one thing. Mahapapma, all are dirgha. Mahashano Mahapapma.
महाशनो महापाप्मा
Yes.
विद्वेनमिह वैरिणम्.
First class. Wonderful. Sandhya ji, who will chant first? Mother or daughter? Okay. Okay.
Swamiji, I'll start from 33.
33. Okay. You are most welcome.
सदृशं चेष्टते स्वस्याः
No, no, ma.
प्रकृतेर्ज्ञानवानपि
1 minute. Swasyaha. Swasyaha. Swasyaha.
सदृशं चेष्टते स्वस्याः
Yes, yes. Swasyaha.
प्रकृतेर्ज्ञानवानपि
Amma, will you listen to me first? Sadrisham cheshtate swasyaha. Swasyaha. Sadrisham cheshtate swasyaha. Che is dirgha. Te is dirgha. Cheshtate swasyaha. Please, please. Wonderful, wonderful. Chant.
सदृशं चेष्टते स्वस्याः
Swa.
प्रकृतेर्ज्ञानवानपि
Amma, sa and wa is there. Don't chant like a Bengali. Swasyaha. Bengali people are using this term.
स्वस्याः
Swa, swa, swa. Sa,
स्वस्याः
yes.
स्वस्याः
Wonderful. Chant.
सदृशं चेष्टते स्वस्याः
Yes.
प्रकृतेर्ज्ञानवानपि प्रकृतिं यान्ति भूतानि निग्रहः किं करिष्यति
Nikita, you did not teach your mother.
Yes.
Nigraha, not nigraha. It will be nigraha. Because gra is yukta varna, ni is short. Okay, please put it. Whenever I teach you, sit with a pencil and mark in your book. Then only you can chant perfectly.
Chant once more.
Yes, yes.
सदृशं चेष्टते स्वस्या sorry सदृशं चेष्टते स्वस्याः प्रकृतेर्ज्ञानवानपि प्रकृतिं यान्ति भूतानि निग्रहः किं करिष्यति.
Wonderful. Do you like that? I want perfection, you know. We should be perfect. We shall have
Yes, Swamiji.
one thing, but it should be perfect. Yes, Nikita, please. Which one you are going to chant?
21.
21. Okay. Chant.
Yes. यद् यद् आचरति श्रेष्ठः तत्तदेवेतरो जनः स यत् प्रमाणं कुरुते लोकस्तदनुवर्तते.
Did you make any mistake?
I felt that when I was reading tattadevetaro, they and they should have been longer.
Another one. In the third quarter, sayat will be, because sa is short. You chant sayat pramanam kurute. Sa will not be prolonged. Okay. Sayat pramanam kurute. Please chant once more.
यद् यद् आचरति श्रेष्ठः तत्तदेवेतरो जनः स यत् प्रमाणं कुरुते लोकस्तदनुवर्तते.
Wonderful. I'm very happy.
Thank you.
One thing I just want to tell you. This is the minor thing, but very like, you know, in every varga, ka varga, cha varga, maha alpa prana and maha prana is there. You know, like ka, kha, ga, gha. Okay. Likewise, ta, tha. So, sreshta nahi, sreshtha. So, tha will be Purely it will come. Tha. That I heard, you did not put that much of effort. So when the Mahaprana will means the second letter and fourth letter will be chanted with the stress. Ka, kha, ga, gha. In any language you won't get it, not in English also. Like in English, we say failure, fruit. But in Sanskrit it is pha, phalam, not phalam. Maybe in Hindi we use, but when we will chant in Sanskrit, it will be pa, pha. It is phalam. Clear? Thank you. Suchitra Amma.
Swamiji 37.
Yes.
काम एष क्रोध एषः रजोगुण समुद्भवः महाशनो महापाप्मा विध्ययेन मिह वैरिणम्.
Wonderful Amma. First class. But the last quarter, Vidyenamiha. Vidyenamiha. Please chant with me. Vidyenamiha. Please chant.
विध्येनमिह विध्येनमिह
Yes.
विध्येन
Vidye. Vidye. Ya is
विध्ये
there.
विध्ये.
Yes. Can you chant that sloka once more, Amma?
काम काम एष क्रोध एषः
Amma, one
रजोगुण.
thing, if I teach you, will you accept it?
Yes.
That krodha is conjunct, sanyukta varna, kra, ka half and ra, krodha. So before that, esha. Esha means sha plus a short vowel, छोटा स्वर वर्ण है. तो अगर युक्त वर्ण के पहले छोटा स्वर वर्ण रहेगा, तो युक्त वर्ण जिस शब्द से शुरुआत होता है ना, वो डबल हो जाता है. So काम एशक एशक एशा half ka, because krodha. काम एशक krodha esha. Can you chant in that way?
काम एष क्रोध एषः रजोगुण समुद्भवः महाशनो महापाप्मा विद्धेनमिह वैरिणम्.
Yes. Wonderful. I'm very happy. Shannon, which one will you try? Yes. 36. Okay. Okay. Yes. Excuse me. Excuse me. Purushaha. Because U is dirgha. If you, yeah. Purushaha. Pu is short. Yes. 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 Varsh. Varsh. No. No. Listen to me. What I will chant, you will repeat after me. You please chant verse, 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 near, near. No, I did not tell you to chant full. What I have told you have to do that. Verse, still, verse. Then chant near, near, verse near. Yes. No, no, Anichanapi Varsneya. Please chant. Neya. Yes. Yes. Jitaha. Visarga is there. Yes. Wonderful. First class. Can you chant once more? Once more, please. Yes. Purushaha. Hey. Purushaha. U will be prolonged. Puru. Yes. Jitaha. Hey. Not it. Yes. Wonderful. Beautiful. Sangeeta Amma. Please unmute yourself. Amma, please unmute yourself. Yes. Which one do you like to chant?
39.
39. Okay. Chant.
Avritam jnanametena jnanino nityavairina kamarupena kaunteya dushpurena nalena cha.
Yes. Are you a Bengali?
No, sir. Marwadi. Rajasthan.
The Bengali type pronunciation. Avritam jnanamete jnanino nityavai